This is the mushrooms out in the wild. Pew, pew. Mushrooms are so cool. Look at them go. Pew, pew. That is the end of Nature with Jessica. Nature with Jessica, Episode 2. A natural water fountain in the middle of a forest. Whoa! Sir, what do you think about that? There's a natural waterfall. Wow! Isn't it cool? Oh, yes, it's very cool. I know, sir. Bye, sir. Nature with Jessica, Episode 3. A natural well in the middle of a forest. Wow, what do you think about that? There's a natural well in the middle of a forest near the coolest hedgehog house. Let's see if anyone's home. Knock, knock, anyone home? Nope, nobody home. Sad, but there's a natural well. That was Episode 3, Nature with Jessica. Out. Episode 4 with Jessica, Nature Person. I found a rare anthole in the middle of a magical forest. What I wonder what's inside. Oh, lots of cobwebs. More cobwebs. Nature with Jessica. This is the rarest anthill. Nature with Jessica, Episode 4. Nature with Jessica, Episode 5. I found rare, prickly vines over my house. It's in the magical forest. What do you think? All the locals here stay away, but I need to investigate. Look at all this lusciousness. Nature with Jessica, Episode 5, out.